Hello students, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are starting the new chapter called probability. So first we have to understand what is probability. Okay, it is your fifth chapter of our mathematics part 1 of class 10th. Okay, so first we have to understand what is probability means. So probability means is nothing but the word which are using in our daily conversation called possibility. हम जनरली पॉसिबिलिटी वर्ड यूज करते हैं इफ देर आर सम थिंग्स इज गोइंग टू बी हैपन विच इज नॉट डेफिनेटली बट देर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ हैपनिंग ऑफ द इवेंट. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग such time the word probability. So they are tossing the coin and we know the coin has two sides. One is head and another is tails. So head or tails, these are the two possible outcomes for the when we are going to toss the coin. At that time we can say the possibility of having tail or head is 50%. हेड या टेल आने की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो कितनी है? 50% है. इसका मतलब जब भी हम कॉइन को टॉस करेंगे वी विल गेट हेड और टेल्स. वी विल गेट इधर हेड और टेल्स. ओके, सो हेड और टेल आने की जो पॉसिबिलिटी है यहीं पर हम वर्ड यूज करेंगे प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, सो लेट अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम मोर एग्जांपल व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, so first for the coin, okay, so coin has two sides. One is head and another is tails. Okay, so when we are going to toss the coin, the probability of outcome head or tails is 50%. Okay, it is for head and it is for tails. These are the two sides of the coin. So when we will toss the coin, there is possibility कितनी होगी? हेड की 50% and tail की 50%. Okay, so here probability of having head or tail is 50%. Okay, this is for the coin. So probability of for coin, if we toss the coin, then probability of getting head or tails is 50% of each. For each. Okay, head, okay, head or tails is, if we toss the coin, the probability of getting head or tail is 50%. Okay, so this is the probability for tossing the coin. Okay, so write down, then we will start the one more example so that we will understand clearly what is probability. Okay, so here the probability is nothing but the possibility of getting event head or tails. This event is also called as the, if we will toss the coin, then we will get random any of the part which is head or tails is called as outcomes. Okay, these outcomes are nothing but the events. Okay, so write down this part, then we will move further. Now we will understand for tossing two coins together. Okay, for tossing two coins together, then possible outcomes are are. So what are the outcomes for if we'll toss two coin? So see, first coin we have head and tail. For second coin, it is for first coin. For second coin, we have again head and tails. Okay. So possibilities or probability. So probability of getting two heads. Okay. So possible है कि एक कॉइन का हेड आएगा, सो दूसरे का टेल आएगा. सो हेड एंड टेल्स. Okay, first probability is head and tails. Then head and head. Or first we have to write head and head. If both the coins are shows head on the top region. Second, head and tails. Head and tails. Now if see, these are the two possibilities already done. Now these are two possibilities, tail and head. Tail and head, then tail and tail. Okay, so see, there are these two possibilities of one coin. Our first coin will be head and tail of second coin, and here the first coin of the tail and another coin will come head. Okay, so these are nothing but same, therefore they will, the 50% head and head are 25% and tail is 25%. Okay, so these are the probability of getting two heads or two tails and one head and one tail. Okay, so this is the probability of getting event head tail and tail tail. Okay, so this is nothing but the probability when we will toss two coins together. Okay, so write down this part which is very important. Okay, write down. Now we will understand the third example. Okay, the third example, if we throw or roll a die. Okay, so we know dice has 6 possible faces. If we will throw or roll a die, then possible outcomes are. Okay, so what may be the possible outcome? So first we have to understand what is the die. So die is the square shaped it's like a unit cell which have 6 faces. Okay, like this. Okay, this is the die which has 6 faces. One is upper side, lower side, and both the side and front and back. So these are the 6 possible faces of the die. If we will roll, then first possibility. Okay, so on one face the dice have one dark point. Okay, on second face die have 2 dark points. On third face the die have 3 dark points. On fourth face die have 4 dark points. On fifth face die have 5 dark points, and on sixth face die have 6 dark points. Okay, so there are 6 possibilities. Okay, there are 6 possibilities. Maybe that on the upper face the die will have 1 point or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 5 or 6 last. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes for the die. Okay, so the probability of getting one dark point on the upper face is 1 divided by 6 into 100. Okay, so this is the percentage. If you will solve, you will get the percent. Okay, for all, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, so total number of faces is 1, and possibility of getting any of the point on the upper surface is 1 by 6 into 100. Okay, so we have to solve this first, then we will calculate accurate. Okay, so 1 divided by 6, okay, point, then we have 0, 6, 1 is 6, then 4 will come, then will become 40, then 6, 6 are 40. Okay, 36. So if you will solve, you will get again 4, then again, so it is 0.16, okay, into 100. If we will multiply, then we will get 16%. Okay, so for any face, okay, which like 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot or 6 dot on the upper face, the possibility of getting any one of the event is 16%. Okay, so this is nothing but the probability of getting any of the number on the upper side of the die is 16%. Okay, so this is the probability. Okay, so write down this part, then we will move further. So now we will take one more example. Okay, so suppose we have 50 cards. We have 50 cards which are numbered from 1 to 50. Then probability of getting any one number from 1 to 50 is, okay, so we have 50 different cards which are numbered from 1, 2, 3 up to 50. Okay, so total number of cards are 50. So total number of cards are 50. Okay, and their number from 1 to 50 means each cards are different, and each cards are numbered from 1 to 50. Then probability of getting any number from 1 to 50 is, okay, any number from 1 to 50, 1 से 50 के बीच में किसी भी नंबर के आने की probability. Okay, if we will shuffle all the card and then we will pick one card from the 50 card which are number from 1 to 50, then probability of getting that particular number is 1. See, हमने बोल दिया कि 5 नंबर जो है वो कार्ड आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी. ओके, सो 5 नंबर का जो कार्ड है वो कैसे एक कार्ड है, सो कार्ड इज 1 डिवाइड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्ड इज 50 into 100. ओके, 0 से 0 कैंसिल, 5 से 10 2 टाइम कैंसिल, सो 2 1 is 2. So there is only 2% probability of getting that number is 5. Okay, so this is the way we have to understand the probability. Okay, so write down this one more example. So students, these are nothing but the probability that you have to understand how we have to decide the probable number, probable die or probable number on the die or probable outcome of the 1 coin, 2 coin. Okay, so that you have to understand. In next part of the video, we will understand about the 52 playing cards. Okay, and probability or different types of card and probability of getting those card we'll understand in next video. Okay, so students, today's video is very important. For that you have to watch this video one more time so that you will understand probabilities basic clearly. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.